This 2018 Tiffin Allegro Red 37PA is a Class A RV. It is located in Altoona, Iowa, 50009 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Des Moines. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Tiffin Allegro Red 37PA is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.